Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we want to find the value of s in this given nice equation. S squared minus s minus 1 is equal to 0. But before we proceed, please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Solution. The given equation is s squared minus s minus 1 is equal to 0. Let us solve this using quadratic general formula because this is a quadratic equation. By quadratic formula, then s is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. And from this equation, a is the coefficient of s squared here, which is 1. B is the coefficient of s here, which is -1. Then c is the constant here, which is -1. S is equal to negative multiplied by -1 plus or minus square root of -1 square negative 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by -1 divided by 2 multiplied by 1. S is equal to negative multiplied by -1, that is 1 plus or minus square root of -1 square, that is 1, negative 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by -1, that will be plus 4 divided by 2. S is equal to 1 plus or minus square root of 1 plus 4, that is 5, divided by 2. S is equal to 1 plus square root of 5 divided by 2, or s is equal to 1 minus square root of 5 divided by 2. These are the corresponding value of x. Now, then at this point, if you push the positive root into the calculator, s will be equal to 1.6180 because this is a golden ratio. Let us solve another problem called number 2. S squared minus 11x plus 22 is equal to 0. Now we can also solve this using quadratic general formula. By quadratic formula, s is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. Then from this equation, the coefficient of s squared here is 1. A is equal to 1. B is equal to minus 11, which is the coefficient of x. And C is equal to 22, which is the constant. S is equal to minus bracket minus 11 plus or minus square root of minus 11 square minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 22 divided by 2 multiplied by 1. S is equal to minus times minus 11. This is 11 plus or minus square root of minus 11 square. That is 121 minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 22. That is 88 divided by 2 multiplied by 1, 2. S is equal to 11 plus or minus square root of 121 minus 88. That is 33 divided by 2. S is equal to 11 plus or plus square root of 33 divided by 2, or S is equal to 11 minus square root of 33 divided by 2. These are corresponding value of X. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. You can see that the quadratic formula explained in just few minutes. Bye.